It's midday already, and I had a big day yesterday, a big day the day before, done a lot of missions. I must have been fishing for at least 10 days straight now, so still going strong. I usually can only fish for 5 days straight before I just get absolutely smashed, and I just can't manage another one, but I'm still going, even if I do have to sleep in until 10:30. Everyone needs to sleep in now and then, right? So I'm heading out pretty late today. It's already midday, but it's summer, so I still have like 7-8 hours of daylight left. So I'm gonna go check out some new water. I've been checking out some new water, new streams every day for like the last nearly 2 weeks, and I'm gonna keep it going, go see some new water, see if I can find some good fish. Probably going to be some small fish, but hopefully some sight fishing, that type of thing. So stay tuned and we'll go out and we'll do some exploring and maybe even look at a couple of different streams. I'll catch you on the water. Right, so basically we're just checking out some water today, see if there's any fish about. So I'm just hopping in for my first look at this stream. What I'm looking for today in this river is just cruising fish, probably browns. Either cruising fish doing a big beat with a slow water like this, or just dark shapes sitting on the bottom. Not the best water for visibility because it's got this orange tinge to it, like actually orange, but it's not so bad, like I can see the bottom for a fair bit of it. So I'm just looking for maybe a rise dimple or even just a cruising fish or some movement, even just a shape on the bottom. Right, so I did look through this pool but I didn't see any fish, and so then I was coming up here and I heard a complete look back and there's a rise ring in the middle of this big slow pool. So obviously a fish has cruised over and eaten off the top, so I'm going to have to try and find this guy. Really nice brownie in front of me. Really nice brown. It's going to be very hard to get a cast at. Very hard. Such a nice brown though. Such a nice fish. Oh my gosh, that was intense. He just boosted towards it. He couldn't have taken that any faster if he tried. This is going to be a tough one to land. I'm going to have to reach down on my belly and net him, and then I'm going to have to lift him up, switch right into there, try get in the water with him. That was so cool, man. That was awesome. There's another brown up there, guys, up on the surface. Okay, I need to deal with this, so I need to get this out of the way. I wish I had a longer net right now, but I just don't. This is going to be hard work. Oh, got him. Alright. Alright, let's get him through here. Let's find a spot we can hop in the water. Even if it is muddy as hell. Yep, it's muddy as hell. Oh well, just too bad. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish, man. Yep, we're sinking down to our knees in mud, but hey, Heck yeah. On the Cicada. Beautiful fish. And that's out. That's the fly. Oh, mate. What a beautiful fish. See my back. And just buries himself into a big thing of weed, hiding away in the oxygen weed. Nice. Oh, mate. Right, that's my day made. I've had a good day. I can go home now. Not like I'm going to. I saw another fish upstream. Right. This is where I saw that last one. I can see him now. He's just upstream. Gonna get a cast ready. He's going upstream. He's going a little bit far for me. He's coming over. He's looking at it. Hooked him. Get out of there, man. There's blackberries in there. Oh, hell yeah. That is a... Oh my goodness, guys. That is a gorgeous brown. Gorgeous fish. I put it a bit behind him and he turned around for it. Oh my goodness. And my line is in a blackberry bush. Typical. Come on, guys. Get out of there. My line's going to be munted, but it's time for a new one in any case. And now there's blackberry in there somehow. Oh no, get out of there, man. Don't go on the blackberries. Oh, gorgeous. Barely hooked. Such a pretty fish. He is barely hooked, guys. That's good. Okay, I might just sit here and deal with him here without slipping in. Get water off the net onto my hands. It's really deep, bro. Guys, if you're wondering why I'm not just hopping in the water with him, it's like 2 meters deep, straight down. So yeah, I'm just doing this to get my hands wet, and then I'll suss them out. Where's the fly? Should just be, it's literally come out. Right, there he is. Gorgeous. Such a pretty brown. Right, buddy. There he is. So good. And off he swims. Paradise, guys. Like, this is dirty water, it's nasty, but it's got fish like that just chilling in the surface. This is what you want from a pastoral stream, is gorgeous brownies just chilling out on top and hungry for the cicadas. I think I have found it. So, we're going upstream and check it out. I thought I was coming on so gradually that I didn't fully realize it was coloring up so much. But if you look over there, that is crystal clean. Switch over to here, kablam. This is what's cooking our fishing today. There is a pipe coming from the paddocks that way, and it is boasting with sediment, depositing so much sediment into the stream. Check it out, man. So if it wasn't for this, we would still be catching fish right now. Luckily we can actually go past it and keep fishing, but this is not cool, man. It's not cool. Alright, let's try to get this brownie up here. I think it's a brown, it could be a bow. He's coming over. Nice brown. pretty fish, man. They're really pretty fish. Came straight over to it. Those ducks are going to ruin my fishing upstream, I reckon. Alright, mate. Coming in. Nice. Got him. Cicada fishing is the best. It just is the actual best. Very pretty brownie. Awesome. Off you go, buddy. Go hide under the weed. Good amount of oxygen weed in here, so they should have oxygen. Such nice water up here past that pollution. Super nice. Little fella, bit of a munted tail. He's been bitten by something, probably just a big eel, but still a gorgeous little fish on the cicada. Alright, let's hold him up, shall we? Just a pretty little fella, gorgeous. Look at this, guys. Holy cow. Like a scene from Lord of the Rings. I highly doubt that these were rolled down river by current. More likely this is like the bedrock, and all this slightly weaker materials were eroded away from around the more dense and harder rock. Oh my goodness. This is like a 127 hours moment. Do I jump? I'm tempted to jump. I can't be sure of a good landing, however. Can I get up through there though? Maybe. It looks like I probably can. I'm gonna go down here. Oh, that rock is wobbling. Not ideal. Alright, in we go. We're in the bog here. Tell you what. That's a bog and a half. Oh mate, what have I got myself into here? Bloody hell. Here we go. Yep, that's some sinking sand, and now I'm waist deep in it. This was probably a bad idea, but I've come this far, so I'm not about to bugger off. I can't exactly turn around unless I want a big hike back. Oh, okay, we're deep here. No, that's too deep for Ben. Wonder if I can hop up there somewhere, but I somehow doubt it. We're swimming waist deep. Oh. This mud is made of nothing. Oh mate, swimming in the mud. Oh, how about that? We are mud deep here, guys. Oh my goodness, there's a school of baby trout in there. Like this big. There's a full-on school of them. That's pretty cool. That's worth the mud. A school of baby trout just circling around. I might just stand here for a few minutes and wait and see if I can spot a cruising fish, and then I'm gonna try and get out of this hole. Probably climb up the bank. Right, here we go. There's the road. That's what I'm after. Hui. What a mission. Top of the stream here. And I spotted a fish from up on the bank there, so I crossed over. And I'm going to try and get a cast over from this side if possible. Quite a big brown up ahead of me. He's coming over. Oh, we refused it. He's a big brown, man. Solid fish. I don't think he's going to eat this fly. I'm going to try a different one. One more try. It's going to go in there. No, okay, I'm going to try a different one. Gone to a cookie bondu. I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce the name. Kochi bondu, I don't know, a kochi? Who knows? Hopefully I can get it to sink, because this fly has a particular affinity for floating, even though it's not a dry. But hey, I could probably still get him to eat it as a dry. Hopefully. This is my favourite fly. I'm going to try it on this big fella. Terrible cast. It's out there. It's floating. Oh, he looked at that. He freaking came out to look at that. Try out the little parachute Adams on this guy. 4-pound tippet. And we shall see what we shall see. Such a nice fish. This is a tricky fish. Oh mate, that was right on him. That was about as good as it gets. Alright, maybe I'll try another terrestrial, like a cicada. Alright, we're going to this guy. Unweighted black mayfly nymph. It sits, once you get a little bit wet, it sits about halfway down. It sinks fairly slow. Hopefully we get him on the nymph. We're going to have to see him eat it though, so it's going to have to be pretty good viz. Terrible cast. It's in there. Didn't. Oh. Yeah, I saw him eat that. Just dived into a bush. Just dived straight into a bush. One cast with the unweighted nymph. And boom fire, big brownie. Big brown. Oh, he's gorgeous too. He is a gorgeous brown. Don't come down here, man. Keep your head upstream. Yeah, this is where you actually do want a 6 weight. If I had a 3-weight, he would have smoked me. He just dived straight into a bush. Oh yeah, that is what you like to see. A little bit of sight fishing, put it about a metre up, waited for it to drift. I had no idea where the nymph was, but I know if he turned to the left and ate something, it was most likely to fly. So I just waited. He comes out to the left about 2 feet, grabs something, set the hook, and he's on. And that is what I love about summertime. Gorgeous brown. He'll be fish of the day for absolute sure. I saw 2 like this downstream, so we're actually getting a couple of bigger specimens as we go upstream. Awesome. Gorgeous fish. Orangey browns. Nice little jack. Gorgeous. Up you go, buddy. Go back to your spot and keep feeding. Good old small stream brownie. Fish of the day, nice one. Saw a couple of bigger ones downstream, but he was a good one. He's coming over. He refused it. Oh, he's looking at it. Yeah, he's spooked. I've come as far as I feel like going. Big walk back, got some good fish, good sight fishing on cicadas, good fun. Stay tuned for the next video, guys. Hit like to the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.